Governors in Washington, California, Florida and Texas are walking back some of their reopening plans as coronavirus cases rise in more than 30 states across the U.S., according to a CNBC analysis of Johns Hopkins University data. As of Sunday, new COVID-19 cases jumped by at least 5% over the previous week in 37 states across the country, based on a 7-day moving average, according to the Hopkins data. Those states include California, Florida, Louisiana, Texas and Nevada. The number of new daily COVID-19 cases across the nation jumped 42% over the past week to an average of about 38,200 on Sunday, based on a 7-day moving average. The number of global COVID-19 cases topped 10 million Sunday, with the U.S. reporting roughly a quarter of the cases. The coronavirus has now killed more than 500,000 people across the globe. Public health officials are also closely watching hospitalizations, which can indicate how severe an outbreak is in an area. This data generally lags new cases because it can take weeks before a patient is sick enough to require hospitalization. Hospitalizations from COVID-19 were growing in 20 states as of Sunday, according to a CNBC analysis of data compiled by the COVID Tracking Project, an independent volunteer organization launched by journalists at The Atlantic. On Sunday, California Governor Gavin Newsom ordered the state's bars to close in several counties as the coronavirus shows signs of accelerating, including in Los Angeles. The state's 7-day average of new COVID-19 cases increased by more than 40% compared with a week ago, according to Hopkins data. COVID-19 is still circulating in California and in some parts of the state, growing stronger, Newsom said in a written statement. That's why it is critical we take this step to limit the spread of the virus in the counties that are seeing the biggest increases. Newsom has left it to municipalities within the state to decide whether they're prepared to reopen certain parts of their economy after more rural counties reported few COVID-19 cases. In San Francisco, Mayor London Breed said in a tweet Friday that she would delay the city's planned reopenings for Monday, which included nail salons, barbershops and outdoor bars, citing a recent spike in COVID-19 cases. Yesterday we saw 103 cases. On June 15, when we first reopened outdoor dining and in-store retail, we had 20, Breed wrote on Twitter. On Saturday, Washington State Governor Jay Inslee also postponed reopening in 8 of the state's 39 counties that were planning to move forward. Rising cases across the state and concerns about continued spread of the COVID virus have made Phase 4, which would essentially mean no restrictions, impossible at this time, according to the state's order from Inslee and John Weisman, Washington's Secretary of Health.